King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, if you are interested in learning how to make this grape jelly lip gloss, then keep on watching. So I already have about 5 ounces of gloss base in a plastic bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and add about 6 tablespoons of this coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and add this hydrogenated polyisobutene, and if you watch my videos, then you already know that polyisobutene is great for giving your gloss that extra shine and smoothness that you are looking for. Next, I'm going to add this Obrilo grape flavoring oil. This flavoring oil actually smells like grape Kool-Aid. I really love the smell, and it actually tastes just like grape Kool-Aid as well. Now we're going to go ahead and give this gloss base a nice mixture. We're going to make sure that we mix that oil nicely into the gloss base. To get that nice grape jelly looking color, we're going to go ahead and add this TKB bright purple concentrate into the gloss base. And I'm going to start out by adding 2 drops of this purple concentrate. And here I'm going to go ahead and add 2 more drops of that purple concentrate so that we can really get that nice grape looking color. And this is how the purple jelly gloss base turned out. This is how I want it, and this is how I love it. So we're not going to touch it anymore. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these squeeze tubes. how the gloss base looks inside of a clear syringe, it's definitely a nice dark purple, just like a purple grape. Once we are finished filling all of our squeeze tubes, this is the beautiful outcome. Also, here's a lip swatch of the purple lip gloss. It leaves a nice tint to your lips and it's nice and settled, just enough amount of purple. Now we're going to go ahead and give our glosses a gloss bath. Gloss baths just contain soap and water to really give your glosses that extra cleanliness and to prevent them from being sticky. Guys so much for watching, and thank you for getting me to 11,000 subscribers. I see every single last one of you, and I love you forever, and I will see you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.